Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to my channel one more time, and I hope you had a great day and profitable one. Let's get started. So what did we have today in the market? Let's get started. The first item we're going to talk about, like always, is the NASDAQ. And as you can see, we had a sharp downtrend, and I told you 2 days ago, from 2 days ago, that we might have some trading range here. And what I see right now is just a kind of pullback to this trend line. If we want to have any uptrend or change in trend, we should have the breakout of this line, this trend line, and this zone, which is important. And if it wants to happen, we might have, very sharp one, very, how can I say, engulfing, we are going to have a kind of engulfing candle, and we're going to have a good breakout, pullback, and then this zone. Otherwise, this could be just a pullback to this zone, and at the same time, you can see we have a kind of trading range. We should wait to see if we have downtrend up to here, and if it gets supported again, we might have trading range between these two zones. One of them, as you can see, was determined and drawn for you, and the other one that I am going to make for you right now. All right, take a look at this zone. If we want to have any trading range, it would be from this zone up to this zone. All right, and finally we should see what will happen. Maybe after this trading range, we might have the other downtrend, and we might see these zones soon and easily. All right, this was the market of NASDAQ. The other market is going to be the one I have explained, and I told you. You can see it is consolidating these days, and we have a kind of trading range, and this trading range is easy to see because you see this zone as a kind of resistance, and you can see this zone as a kind of support, and you can see this zone acted really well. These two zones acted really well. So if we have any breakout from either side, so we might have a change in the trend of the market for this item, which is called Dow Jones. All right, and as you can see, this is the end of market, and the New York market finished and closed. So we should wait for tomorrow to see what will happen and what is going to happen. All right, so at the same time, we can refer to the next item, which is gold. It is many people's favorite to trade. So if you can remember, I told you yesterday that we have this important zone, and let's focus on 4 hour, and you can see that we had a breakout of this zone, and this is the pullback to this zone. We should wait to see that how it is going to react to this zone, whether we are going to have bearish trend, or we are going to have a breakout of this channel. So if you're working, you can just draw the channel as I have drawn. So it would some people say it's not a correct channel, but what should I say, because I only have just one zone for the bottom line, and I don't have the second one. So I have drawn with these zones, and I have just relied on the midline that I have 2, 3, 4, 5 reactions to the midline of the channel. So that's why I have drawn this, and I should wait for the reaction. It is according to my experience. It's not classic and based on theories. All right, so but about gold, let me tell you something else. And what I think would be, reacting these areas and somehow again, another, downtrend up to the midline of the channel. Okay, but we should wait to see. Uh, we don't have any exact. So if we have, breakout of this zone and pullback, so we should wait for the other zones which are important. Let me draw for you to understand and to know tomorrow and how you should work and trade. This is the first zone, 1900. I told you if we have any breakout, so we are going to have pullback, then the rest of the trend, and that's it. The other one could be this zone, which is very important for us, and according to price action theories, and these two zones also, but they're not that much important. We should wait to see what is going to happen. The first resistance we are going to have would be 1900, the other one 1915. All right, let's focus on the other market, Bitcoin, that many people trade it. All right, as you can see on the chart of Bitcoin, we have something like, I told you before that we have a kind of, trading range between these two areas, and it's consolidating, you can see. But what I added today was this channel, because Bitcoin was supported exactly 37,000. And you can see, if you connect these two lines, you can see this support area. And at the moment of speaking, we have two reactions to this zone. If you extend it, you can see you can have this channel for yourself, and you can see these reactions to the midline. So this is a kind of reliable one. But what I think, we should wait, because, we had a breakout of the midline and pullback. So we might see these zones maybe tomorrow, and about 40. And again, I guess we are going to have another correction for days. But the other, let me tell you, the other zone, which would be, resistance, would be 40,000, and the top line of the channel, and you can draw to understand and have these lines for yourself. That's it, and this is the summary of our market. And I'm very busy right now, but about the Forex market, I'm going to post my Forex market analysis maybe 6 or 7 hours later, that I have enough time for that. But at the moment, I just want to wish you luck for tomorrow market. Have a great day. Bye-bye.